Today, I'd like to show you the installation of this little power strip with 4 USB plugs. First, we're going to roll the snappy intro, and then we're going to get to it. 2-minute tool tips. Twools. So what I really want to do is just mount this guy right to the bottom of the shelf here, so I can just plug the USB plugs right in for these flashlights. I'm gonna have less wires running around the shop. You mount this little piece of plastic to the shelf, and then you can just slide the power strip in, and you could slide it in from whichever way. It's just really cool to be able to have these USB charging ports. So what I wanna do is just put this thing right at the edge of this shelf here, and then we'll just use a Sharpie. Too far. Now we can just go ahead and slide our power strip right in. By installing this power strip, I freed up 2 plugs over here, and by freeing up 2 plugs over here, I could actually remove 2 things from some plugs down here. I've got 4 spots up here if I have any other chargers down the road, and I still got 2 more USB spots available, and I will go ahead and put a link in the description. But if you just go to Amazon and type power strip, underdesk power strip, there's all kinds of different combinations, and it's amazing what they've come up with. I look forward to less struggle when I'm charging my flashlights, and I also look forward to having a couple more plugs available. Thanks for watching, folks, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Take care.